Hi guys, Jira Bro back with another video. Let me show you how you can actually deal with your priority schemes. So before, the priority schemes actually were not part of the Atlassian cloud, but Atlassian indeed returned that feature back to the Jira project. So how do you actually see the priority schemes? So first of all, you go to your summary in here. And when you go to the summary, you're going to see these priorities just right here. And it's using the default priority scheme. If I actually click on it, so first of all, it's gonna show me the priority schemes in here. All right. So what do we have is we can actually create a priority scheme, and as you can see, this default priority scheme is being shared across 21 projects. Meaning if you make a change to a default priority scheme, it will actually apply to all of the other schemes, which is not something that is recommended. So what you do, you add a priority scheme, you give it a name, and I'm going to say like plat, and I'm going to say priority scheme, and it's going to ask me to select the priorities in here. I'm interested in medium, I'm interested in high, and low. That's it. So I can either choose which one of these are actually going to be the default priorities. Either it's going to be the medium, high, or low. How you actually see this when you start creating the issue within the priority itself, within the drop-down field, your default one will actually be showing as the first one. Okay, so now I can say, for example, I want to choose the high priority to be default. And for the projects, I'm going to type in, I'm just going to type in plat. And within the plat, I'm going to click on the next. And now what actually happens in here? So first of all, it's saying that some of the issues in the projects you select use priorities that are not available within this priority scheme. How is this possible, if you may ask? Well, this is because I'm using the default scheme. So now I have to choose the new priorities. So if I'm having the current priority of critical, what is it going to be? So it's going to be the high, and then high as well. Lowest and lowest, well, it should go with low, and the priority is also going to go to low, and I'm going to say add to a scheme. All right. So now we have this priority scheme right here. If we actually go back, and if we go to our project settings in here, and I choose the summary, you're going to see that I have this changed. So now it's going to use the priority scheme, which is actually being defined in here. So when I go and click on create, and when I want to choose my priorities in here, as you can see, the priorities are also being applied throughout the priority scheme that I have set. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. See ya. Bye.